Okay, let's dive into a really powerful argument about where everything, well, came from.
It's a question we've all asked, right? And this argument offers a pretty logical answer.
It's called the Kalam Cosmological Argument. And really, it's just a simple three-step logic puzzle. So where'd this idea come from? Well, its roots go way back to medieval Islamic theology.
Thinkers back then used this reasoning, called Kalam, to argue the universe had a starting point. And this idea was supported by verses in the Quran describing a specific moment of creation.
One of the biggest names here is the scholar Al-Ghazali, who lived back in the 11th century. He challenged the whole idea of an eternal universe with a brilliant thought experiment. Here's his big idea. Al-Ghazali argued that a real, infinite past just can't exist. So just imagine for a second the past was infinite. That means infinite moments passed to get here. It's kind of like trying to count to infinity, you know? You'd literally never finish. So if the past was infinite, we could never, ever reach the present moment, now. But, I mean, here we are. Our existence proves the past isn't an endless chain.
So for Al-Ghazali, this means the past has to be finite. The universe had a beginning.
Which brings us back to that first premise. If something begins, it must have a cause. So what kind of cause are we talking about here? The argument's own logic gives us clues.
Well, for one, it has to be timeless and spaceless, because it created time and space.
It also had to be non-physical, since it came before matter. And yeah, unimaginably powerful. And get this, proponents say it must be personal. Why? Because it chose to create. You can see how this description of a creator lines up with the concept of God in Islam. Now, this isn't just an ancient idea. It's had a huge comeback in modern philosophy. A philosopher named William Lane Craig really brought Al-Ghazali's work into today's scientific debates. So, from its medieval roots to today, the core logic has stayed exactly the same. The Kalam argument gives us one compelling answer, leaving us to wonder about the ultimate cause.